Hello everyone. In the chapter Locomotion and Movement, many a times you are confused between the types of muscles and the location of muscles. So let's understand today with a 3D animation that how the muscles will be there in our body and what are the various characteristics of the muscles. So let's see how many types of muscles are there in our body. So there are three types of muscles, right? The skeletal muscles, the smooth muscles and the cardiac muscles. So these three types of muscles are placed strategically in your body to help with all the functions. Let's understand where these muscles are present in your body. So as you can see here, skeletal muscles will be attached to the bones. And you can also see cardiac muscles will be present only in the heart of your body. When we talk about smooth muscles are present in the lining of your internal organs like stomach, intestine. Let's understand now about the skeletal muscles, its location and its characteristics. Skeletal muscles. So as the name itself is suggesting that these muscles are attached to your bones. These are also termed as striped or striated muscles. Why? Because of the presence of alternate dark and light bands. Now dark bands are termed as A band and light band will be termed as I band. Now these muscles are also multinucleated. Multinucleated means that it will be having lot of nucleus in this tissue. Now many a times you guys are confused which muscle tissue is multinucleated. So remember, it's not the cardiac muscle tissue, but it is the skeletal muscle tissue which is multinucleated. One more important point that you need to remember about this tissue in NEET examination is that it is voluntary. That means you can contract these muscles with your own will. Let's talk about now the smooth muscles. So smooth muscles are also termed as unstriped or unstriated muscles. Now these muscles don't have alternate dark and light bands. That's why we are calling them as smooth muscles. Location is very interesting. Now these muscles will be present in your internal body organs, in the linings of the organs present inside your body. Now smooth muscles are involuntary in function. They are not under our control. So when you will be looking at the structure of smooth muscles, you will find it to be fusiform. Fusiform means it is tapered from both the ends, as you can see. Now these muscles are always uninucleated. That means there will be just one nucleus. Let's now discuss cardiac muscle tissue. So cardiac muscle tissue will be present in the heart, as the name itself is suggesting. Now these muscles are branched. They are striated and they are uninucleated. They are also involuntary. So we can say that they are present in between the skeletal muscles and the smooth muscles. Striations still will be there, alternate light and dark bands are there. Now the most interesting feature of the cardiac muscle tissue, which is quite unique, and that is the presence of intercalated disc, as you can see. Now this intercalated disc is nothing but communication or gap junction. Now this allows the muscle tissue to contract as a unit. So I hope now you have understood the structure of the muscle tissue, the location and their characteristics. So this will help you to score good marks in NEET examination. So isn't it interesting to see how different types of muscles are present in our single body?